Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Acting Managing Director of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc), Engineer Emmanuel Audu Uwabora, says the commission will continue to build capacity for entrepreneurship in the Niger Delta. Engineer Audu Uwabora gave the assurance during the graduation of 198 persons trained in agency banking by the Nddc in partnership with non-governmental organization, the Empowerment Support Initiative, ESI.
In 2015, the Nddc went into a partnership with the Empowerment Support Initiative to train and empower vulnerable youths in the Niger Delta. This year, the partnership focuses on entrepreneurship, and so beneficiaries were trained in agency banking, which has become a major source of livelihood in a cashless economy. During the 7th graduation ceremony organized for beneficiaries recently in Port Harcourt, Acting Managing Director of the Nddc, Engineer Emmanuel Audu Uwabora, observed that the program was intended to uplift youths from the throes of poverty and deprivation, in line with the Commission's statutory mandate.
Today, we can say that at least these 200 people will leave that poverty bracket. And this sort of programs, if other agencies are doing it, before you know it, a lot of people will be out of the poverty bracket. So I'm particularly excited because we are extending goodwill, life, to people who could not afford to live.
The graduation ceremony marked the end of an intensive training on entrepreneurship. Director on the board of the ESI, Joba West, advised beneficiaries to apply skills acquired to improve their lots and touch the lives of others in positive ways.
For years, some of you have finished school, you have graduated, but no job. After this, make good use of the opportunity before you. Don't let it slip out of your finger. This is just a starting point for you.
During the graduation ceremony, beneficiaries were given starter packs to establish in business.
I'm so excited, believing God that all that I've learned by His grace, I'm going to put it into practice.
The partnership between the Nddc and ESI expires next year. Owing to the huge success it has recorded in the last 7 years, the development partners are considering a renewal to benefit more vulnerable youths in the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.